All right, well, I got me the Krabby Patty meal from Wendy's. It's new. Supposedly it's new. Hey, how y'all doing? Pew, pew, pew. Let me see what's back here. Oh, my blankie. And my pillow. My pillow's back there. You guys don't need to see that. Oh my God. I'm back from Las Vegas. I thought, hey, let's do a car bang. I haven't done one in a while. And hell, I miss you guys. Had a blast. My body's so sore. It's going to take me a week to get over. My voice was really shot, and it's doing better. But yeah.
$17.92.
All right, thank you. All right, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. There you go. $17.92 for the Krabby Patty meal. Some extra Krabby Patty sauce on the side, and unsweetened iced tea. All right, what is this again?
That's for the.
It's pineapple. Pineapple vanilla shake.
Yes.
Pineapple vanilla shake. Okay.
And then your iced tea.
And an iced tea. Okay.
There you go, your check.
All right. Wow. A dime. I got a dime back. Ah. All right. Thank you. Could I get some ketchup? Oh, I don't see the extra Krabby Patty sauce in there. Oh, it's in here. It's at the very bottom. All right, cool. Thank you. All right, have a good day. Holy moly, shrinkflation or what? Holy cow. This bag is so small. You know, this is not a good spot for a bush. That's what he said. Or did she say it? Oh my God, holy moly. I am telling you, this Vegas trip I did was crazy. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this mukbang because I gotta post so many videos. But I am excited to do this. I've been wanting to do this. I'm gonna be doing a collab with Cinnamon Stick Eats. We're gonna do the Wednesday Addams Burger King special. That's new. I wanted to do it before I went to Vegas, but there just wasn't enough time. So you're just gonna have to deal with the SpongeBob SquarePants Krabby Patty meal. I'm just gonna look for a shady spot, so we're gonna drive a little bit. I'm gonna try not to drink anything or eat anything because you know I love to dig in early. So I've been watching the reviews on this, okay, and let me tell you, they've been a little back and forth. The reason why I got the extra Krabby Patty sauce is because most of the people reviewing this are saying that the Krabby Patty sauce is kind of like McDonald's secret sauce. I'm assuming it's more like a Thousand Island dressing, but most people are saying there's not enough sauce on their burger. So I fixed that. I said, give me extra sauce, Krabby Patty sauce. You know what? Should we do it at the cemetery? Okay, let's do it at the cemetery. Oh my God. Sorry, we're not under the sea, but hey, we're at the cemetery. Let me tell you. Let's see here. And nobody is here today. Wow, it's empty. There's one guy, looks like he's here. He's got a Mustang. Okay. Oh, it's the 5.0. Yeah, baby. Whoa. Okay. I wish there was more parking, like, in there, in the cemetery spot. Okay. I'm gonna back in. Let's see here. Hold on. I'm gonna do something here. Whoa! She's getting crazy at the cemetery. Whoa! You know there's some rockers out here. They're like, yeah, baby. I wonder if you guys can see it better if I'm parked right here. Okay. I don't know. Can you? What if I did this? I took up 2 spots. Can you guys see it better? Yeah, baby. Okay. I took up 2 spots. Alright, I'm gonna put it in park. Put down the windows because it's so quiet. People brought, it's so cute. People brought, here, let me undo it. Look, over there, somebody brought a pumpkin. This is our small little town cemetery. It's so cute. I love it. It's so quiet. Yeah. And people are over there cleaning up their family's cemetery plot. How sweet. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Okay, let's shut her off. I got all the windows down. Let's do this. Let's put down the shade in the back. All right. That's done. All right, now let's shut off the system. Excuse me. Oh my God. Okay, let's get this party going. Yeah. Ha. Oh yeah. Okay. This is how we're doing it. This is how we do it, baby. Trust me, I am surprised I'm even moving. My body hurts so bad. I mean, bad. Like, I was crying this morning when I woke up. Like, God. All right, so we got our Wendy's. All right. We got napkins. We got our SpongeBob Krabby Patty sandwich. Okay. Let's see here. They gave me a spoon. I'm gonna just try to focus on the Wendy's meal today, okay? All right, okay. And here's the extra Krabby Patty sauce. That's right, baby. Ugh. Ugh. All right. Sorry, you guys, you had to see that? All right, here, let's start off with a bite of this French fry. Huh. It's not their normal French fry. Okay? Just to let you know, there's their ketchup. They're good. They kind of remind me of the breakfast French fries. They're good. I feel like I'm hungover. Like my body is like, feels like a punching bag. All right. There you go. All right. Put it. All right. Let's see here. All right. There it is. There's the drink. Let's do this. I'm going to try to hold it all up at one time. Yeah. I'm a circus freak, baby. All right, let's kind of mix that up a little bit. Okay. This is pineapple vanilla milkshake. Whoa. The packaging, it's the normal packaging. There's nothing special about it. This would have been cute if they would have gave it like a SpongeBob wrapper. Okay. All right. This, to me, right off the bat, looks like a Famous Dave's burger. Okay. Just a normal old burger. All right. Let's check it out. What do they got? Oh, they got the secret sauce, a pickle, onion, tomato, lettuce, cheese, square panties, square patty, and more cheese. Okay, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. All right, this is why I got the extra Krabby Patty sauce. I don't think that's enough. I think they should have gave 2 squirts. All right, look at my new watch. All right. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna try to do this. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm going to. Alright. Actually, I could probably do this. Whoa. Oh, get the Wendy sign out there. Come on, little girl. Work with mama. Did you see that fly? Get away, fly! Hey, get off my burger. Oh, that's good. Oh. Wow. Any bigger would be too much, I think. I'm going to tell you what it tastes like, okay? When you get a banana split, like from Dairy Queen or Frosted Freeze, when they have that soft ice cream, and then you get the 3 flavors, pineapple, hot fudge, and strawberry, that's what this tastes like. That soft serve ice cream with the pineapple on top. Wow, it's totally throwing me back, man. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. Here we go. We're going to try it first without the extra sauce, okay? Get your bite. All right? I'm getting mine right now, okay? It's a little, the bun's a little stale. See how it busted up like that? Okay, it most definitely needs the secret sauce. All right. Whoa. Yeah, it smells like Thousand Island. Here, take a look. It looks like Thousand Island. All right, here we go. Whoa. Okay. Here we go, kids. It's, hold on a second. It's Thousand Island. It tastes like Thousand Island, but there's something different to it. I'm gonna try this again, because, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. It's got like a little zing zing to it. It's getting me right here. To me, I'm like, okay, it's a burger. It is bothering me that this bread's a little on the dry, like, day old side. But it tastes like a Famous Dave's burger. But if you add more of this sauce, because I didn't get much, it changes the whole dynamic of the sandwich. It's all right. It's okay. It's just a cheeseburger with lettuce, tomatoes, onions, pickles, with the secret sauce. I can't finish it because the bread being so like dry, it's not appetizing. Like, I don't know if my brain's saying, ew, the bread is old. Let's get more of this. Wendy's nailed it on this. This is like a flashback for me. Flashback. Kids, I'm gonna have to give this a 1 thumbs up. Because of the burger. And you know, I live for eating burgers. I'm like the burger eater. Woo, girl. Oh, where's my ketchup? Hold on. Let's get some fry on. Whew. Here we go. I'm trying not to fall off kilter of this review. Alright, we're going to try French fry with some ketchup. Let's get the ketchup on. There you go. Yeah, these fries are good. You know, they're French fries. I think I actually like it better without the ketchup. Alright. Let's try their iced tea. If you fail at iced tea, no thumbs up. Alright, here we go. There's the iced tea. Okay, the ice comes to here. Okay. Let's get it all funky fresh. They did not give me a straw for my iced tea, only my shake. It's your normal iced tea. It's nothing fancy. But, ooh, girl, it feels good on my throat. Woo! Alright. Well, I think this review's over, party people. let's do this. All right. That's in there. All right. As they say, pew, pew, pew. One thumb up. One finger up. Pew, pew, pew. Well, remember, spread love, spread kindness, and always spread happiness. I hope you like this review. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you've made it this far. Leave a comment. Say, hey, I had it and it was great. Or, you know, it wasn't my favorite that Wendy's has put out. Please go and watch my videos. I have posted some great shorts videos. And, excuse me. And please go check out my videos. And share me out. Share me to your friends, your family, your lovers, your ex-lovers, your soon-to-be lovers. Lover, 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 lover. All right. So, keep smiling, and I'll see you on the next video. Talk to you soon.